There it is, descending from the chin of Mount Mansfield. So for at least a couple minutes on July 4th, we can say we were the highest people in Vermont. It's true. We're going to take the Sunset Ridge Trail, although it is starting to rain, as you can see. Could be interesting, especially if that storm's coming this way. Alright, here comes the rain. Oh, this thing. It's gonna be rock field, so not much protection from the rain at this point. But the heavy stuff's coming down for a little while. So seeing as that's moving across us right now, and all behind it is just, we might put on our rain jackets and get a little protected. Yeah, I'm guessing that thunder 2 seconds after that other video, only about 5 feet, we are in the cloud. Nothing. Pretty amazing the turnover we just had in the last like 2 minutes. And that cloud rolled in. Starting to rain. I got my poncho. There's flash flood warnings for the area, so I think this is not the last of it. Now, rain. Pretty hard. There's thunder coming in. Still in good spirits. Let's listen for some thunder. That was a big one. Last shot for now. But it's definitely coming down. There's a second of flat land here, so update with the rain is doing. It hailed for a couple seconds there. You could feel it on the head. The big lightning and thunder's passed. Sorry I couldn't take more. A little terrified. But I think the worst is over. For Ben and I, we're the only two left. God bless those guys. We made it to the road. Just another mile to go. Woo!
We started at the top and now we're here.
We made it back.